Alright, HVAC people. It's almost 11 o'clock. 91 degrees on a Sunday. Gonna go change out this coil, evap coil. I typically don't like to work on Sundays, but I need to go ahead and just knock this out, get this out of my schedule. I was going to change it out Monday, but I got a couple more things I need to try to knock out. So I text the homeowner this morning, asking would they like for me to come out today, and they said sure. So, and I'm not going to charge overtime or anything like this because it's really benefiting me in my schedule. Being that I really can only work in the evening times and on the weekends. Something like a coil change out, I like to go ahead and just knock it out. It's more time consuming. But hopefully I can. It's a Lennox coil, 3.5 ton. Hopefully I can slide it in and out without having to take the whole case off. There's a lot of pookie on that unit. But that's what we got. The husband, he got a helicopter, so I hope I can get some footage. But I think he's out of town. I was speaking with the wife this morning. He gave me her number because he's going overseas. But that was Wednesday, so quite sure he's not back. This is the video that I had while I stuck the Infocon in the drain, and it was getting a alert. So we're gonna go ahead and just change that on out. All right, that's my coil. 3.5 ton. That's a big box, but it ain't that big. Go down and pump down the unit. Oh, Lennox unit. Need to calibrate my gauges. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I sit back and enjoy the rest of my Sunday, and there has some air. They got 2 units, one downstairs, but it's warm upstairs. Been a few days without. Let's see. I'm completely flat. I am completely flat. I may not need no pump down. pretty flat. Filter dryer must be on the inside. Yeah. Alright, I'm completely flat. I'm go prep this upstairs unit. Alright, there she is. It's nice there. They started protecting their capillary tube on that distributor. That's nice. Alright, this the one getting changed out. Got a little room to work with up here. $95.42. This TSB is on the outside. I may just cut all that out. What size is this? Both of them 3.5. All right, let me see if I can go get my knife. See if I can take this front cabinet out. See, I got my box fan up here with me. It got to be 125 degrees easy. So they're gonna be this box fans. I'm gonna take one of them supply ducts off downstairs. Somebody's gonna come up short downstairs for a little while. But I go with this little warm breeze here. Shout out to Walmart, $17. See if I can get this flue pipe out of the way. $125 degrees is 125 degrees. No matter where you at. Yeah, I might need that old extension. Alright, let me go get my extension. Yeah. Cut this pipe right here. Take that TXB out of there. Sure ain't mean to do that bug, but it's coming out anyway. I want to save some of this stuff because I'm gonna take it to my shop and put some nitrogen on it. It's Sunday, I ain't no hurry. I'm just take my time, try to do a good job, and go home and lay on the couch the rest of the day. down and get my tubing cutter. I want to get all this out of my way here. Everything. This block right here. This pipe right here. Piston. that gas pipe. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Oh man, that sucker would have been 1 inch to the left. It'll be alright. Right here. No, this sucker probably ain't got no kind of play. Yeah, damn 2x4 right here. 4x4. Drain pad. All right, I'm good. I'll take this top off. Look like. See if I can raise it up. Left my knife, that's why I'm using that doggone thing now. It's hard to get that screwed out of there. It's gonna be hard to get that one out of there. Let me get this crap. Put that whole case in there. I'm gonna do all this. Bend that back up and say we'll be all right. Now I gotta try to squeeze it on back in here. All right, let me go down and get the other one. Got the new one up here. You can see on this old one. Refrigerant residue, and when I did the leak check on this one, I just stuck in the drain line. But even if I did, refrigerant all on the back side of the coil, so you literally would have had to take this coil out to find this leak back here. So instead of doing all that work, it's best to just get a new one. Let's see. Gonna put this in there. Hopefully go in a lot easier than it came out. So we can get up out of here. All right. Now 115. That fan dropped about 5 degrees. I did end up getting that coil in here. Memory card full on the camera, but it wasn't easy. But I did get it over in there. See if I can get this insulation back up here. Hi, what up, HVAC people? See if I can get your thoughts. The camera ain't zoom in, dude. See if I can refocus. Hi, so this is my first time not replacing the whole chassis, the whole whether it be horizontal coil or slab coil or case coil. I usually just take everything out and put it back in, but a partner of mine suggested that I stop doing that and just slide it out and put the labels of the new front panel back on the unit. But I just want to know y'all opinion and y'all thoughts, because I know every situation won't be the same. Like on this, everything would have went smooth probably if this pipe wasn't in the way, this gas line right here. But the time it took me to get this old one out in that situation, maybe I should have looked, but I ain't really did. I ain't think about this pipe right here at all. But the time it took me to do all this, cut all these PVC pipes back, I could have just took all the pookie out this one right here and take all the tape out, take this whole case out and put that other case in. I think it probably been the same amount of time, maybe been a little easier. Cause now, all I would have had to do is cut these pipes or just cut the PVC pipe, drain line pipes right here, and just set the whole case in here. But just want to know y'all comment, y'all opinion, cause I don't think I'll be doing that no more. And it's a more cleaner job to me too. I know the most important thing is the coil itself, but it's a more cleaner job if you just put a new, the whole case in there. But that's just me. I'm finna get ready to wrap this up. Memory card died full on the camera, and it's hot up here, and I've been over here for about an hour and a half, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and knock this thing out in 3 hours. Go ahead and pipe everything up, change that filter dry, do a leak check on it with nitrogen and charge it up. But if you don't mind, leave your comment. Let me know typically what you do or what your company do. So now residential different. I'm using residential, but you know, we replace evaporator coils all day, especially in the package unit. Just swapping them in and out. But this right here, a lot of work to me. Alright though, I'm out. Alright, pretty much got everything put back together. Got the unit under vacuum. I like to dress it up while I got everything up under vacuum. As far as redoing all the drain lines. I replaced that filter dry. That's open. And the only thing left up here, gotta put that flue pipe back on, and I'm gonna put some pookie across the top. That's about it. Next time I come up here, she should be cooling. I'm just gonna take some return to supply temperature, let it run. It's 410A, let it run about 30 minutes. Check the temperature. Should be good to go. Put these scraps back on. All right. Yeah, it's hot up here. Let's see what we got now. I feel like I got a little hotter. We're at 116. Ain't too bad. Yeah. All right. Charge the unit. Well, I put a vacuum. Charging it up on the liquid side. So I got a factory charge of 6.11 ounces. I call myself putting 6.11 in there. So I got roughly 7 pounds. Make sure I'm not leaking by anything. So like I say, I just want to charge it 6.11 ounce factory charge. I'm gonna go clean up in the attic, turn the unit on, let it run for a while, and then let me see what the subcooling is. See if they got a Target subcool. I don't see a Target subcool, but I'm gonna try to shoot for like between 8 and 12 on the subcooler. I'm gonna go upstairs and fire it up. Sound like it just kicked on. So we're gonna clean up. I just gotta get that old evaporator coil down. Gotta give me a chance to let it run. Alright. This is pretty much with just the factory charge in there. It's warm in the space. I got 108 and about 115, so that's about 7 degrees subcooling. Been running probably about 10 minutes. Need to let it run probably another 30 minutes. But I'm gonna get ready to wrap it up. I'm just gonna leave that 7.1 pounds in there, and that should be good. Suction line sweating pretty good. Like I say, I think it's about 80-something degrees in the space. So I'm not gonna add no more because I don't want to overcharge it. Got good warm air blowing out of here. All right, that's a wrap, though. HVAC people.